Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean a throttle body on a 2.4 Ecotech to get rid of a stall or a stutter or a little tremble at idle. First thing we want to do is go ahead and disconnect our little 8mm down here. It also has a flat tip if you want to use a screwdriver. I just use an impact, a little electric impact to loosen that up. Next we want to pull this little air inlet out. And then we're going to take our 8mm here loose. And again, it has a flat tip in case you want to use a flat tip screwdriver. Once you get that done, we're just going to lift up on the front, disconnect it here, and you got two little push-ins right here. You see this one came off. We can put that back in right here. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and clean out our throttle body right here. Just take some carburetor cleaner. What you don't want to do is just spray it down in there. What I normally tend to do is just take and spray it on a rag, and then I clean it out on the inside. Now you want to open this throttle blade up so you can stick it down in there. Get all that out. As you can see, I still got some tough spots right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a screwdriver that I should have already had out, but I don't. I'm going to open my throttle body just like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take me a little brush, wet it up pretty good. I'm going to clean all that hard part out. You could use a toothbrush to do this. You can use a little wire brush if you want, just to get out the hard spots. Tuck our rag, clean that out. Try to get as much of it out of there as we can. All right, now we got to do the top side. Okay, we're going to take our rag, spray our little thing here down with some more carburetor cleaner. We're going to do the top side, same way we did the bottom side. Take our rag and clean that out. I can still feel a little high spot over here, so clean that a little bit more. Just like that. Go ahead and put our intake back on. In the back, down at the bottom here. Plug this in. Tighten our 8mm down. And you're done. Just a simple, easy throttle body cleaning on a 2.4 Ecotech. If your AC is causing your car to shut off, maybe when you pull it to an idle because of too much carbon coking in the throttle body, this will take care of it. This will take care of small stumbles. If it's not something to do with your ignition coil or maybe a spark plug fouling out, if it's just a throttle body cleaning, this will take care of it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.
Now, I'm not the kind of guy that's going to ask you to like my video or subscribe to my channel. I'm the kind of guy that's going to beg you to do it. Click one of these other videos. Subscribe to my channel. It's on one of these sides. Do them both. Do them all. Please!